guys, this is a BB check. This is the P698 and this is our target. And we're seeing how powerful it is. Right, here we go. What did that hit, James?
100.
Did it? So that?
Yep.
Right, go over back.
Can you make it from all the way over there?
Oh, that's why. Hang on, guys.
Just reloading.
What did I hit?
30.
30.
Yep. It's the bullet.
Right?
It's the bullet.
Sure.
Small bullets.
Put them. By the way, if you want to know the price of this, it is, well, it comes with a long ranger, but it don't work. It just takes the range off. So
It makes it a bit more powerful though.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't. So it comes with this, guys. Hello, let's get it out. Comes with this. And
An extra mag.
comes with a extra mag, but it's bigger. And they're the bullets what you get with it, the orange ones. And it comes to £7.98. But the thing
Say it goes through targets.
No, but it does go through targets. But just like this, if you get this, it's £4 on justbbguns.co.uk. Well, www.justbbgun. And I prefer this off because it don't really do nothing. But I prefer that on. But with this as our pro bullets when we go out in the hunting, we with the woods. And
Say we already killed them.
yeah. And we've got some targets. We shot through them, and we might be taking this down later. So here's James Sycamore doing it now. I'm Cameron Hales, by the way, if you know me. Here's James Sycamore, one bullet. So where you reload. Hang on. Right, it's the same as so. It's good accuracy, by the way, guys. Oh, where did the bullet go?
I'm right.
Did it? You hit 140.
The bullet's stuck. Where it's gone, it's stuck.
And for the congratulations for the whomever made this gun. And we've got another gun. It's a homemade gun, custom. So as you can see, we glued it in that because we found another top for it. Don't reload because we need to find the back bit for it. Glued it. So let you know when we do it again. So here's the celebration. It's got a mag and everything, so you know it's good again. Here's the celebration shot for us. Here we go. Ready?
And you hit 200.
Did I? Did I?
Yeah.
Well, guys, please subscribe and comment and like this video. If you don't, put a thumbs down. If you do, put a thumbs up. This is our first video by the way, guys, so it will get better. And peace out.